This is an amazing rattle which I have bought from Toys R Us, and only for $9.99 I bought this. It says over here it is for 3+ months, and it is like shake and sing elephant rattle. I quite find it very amazing, and it says over here that it is like 25+ songs, melodies, sounds and phrases. And it says like here, it gives us the developmental benefits which are extremely important for the baby. Like it says over here, auditory stimulation, language development, motor skills, and it shows here its features like shake the elephant to hear the fun sounds, then turning the ears over here, and turning out the trunk, it gives us the light up button and easy to grasp handle, and it shows like this. So let's start.
My two big ears flip and flop, they flip and they flop, and they turn round and round. Shake me!
It's a shake rattle, and then here when you push this
I have
button,
a long trunk and two big ears. Hello, cutie pie.
it's nice for the baby.
Shake, shake, rattle and shake. Give me a shake. My two big ears flip and flop, they flip. I have a long trunk and two big ears.